got to stick to it, but big save made there by Forsberg. Now jumping into the keys of the shoot, score! Alex Formenton on a breakaway.
Ennis comes way down low to even create the rush, and this is just a speed game. Brendan Smith cannot match the speed of Formenton. He goes from...
Throws one to the blue line of Ottawa. It's taken back by the Senators. Ennis throws one right on Ronson with the save. Crashed into by Formenton, and they'll score! The referees right now are ruling goal. John McIsaac
was any goalie interference. So watch 10 in the Ottawa jersey. First of all, did he glove it? I can't tell there. It goes right. It goes off of the skate of Marty.
The wrist one deflected wide by Aho. Kept in at the point. Good hustle by Slavin. Gets it to Aho. He works it across. Teravainen score! Number 100 for Teuvo Teravainen for his career.
It's been relentless tonight, and finally you get your just deserved. Slavin, what a job on his backhand, keeping it in, and a reloaded puck support from Aho, but Aho wasn't done. Aho, no-look pass, Teravainen in a one-timing spot, and Teuvo wasted no time.
As Max Lajoie found a lane and got a shot through. Now we find Max Lajoie with our camera. Back up top, Aho dusting it off. He'll wrist one deflected. Forsberg gets in, they score!
Max Lajoie. He had the initial chance. He comes up with puck retrieval. You have the net front you've had all night. Jarvis gets a piece, and Svechnikov does the rest. This was all about Max Lajoie. He toe dragged just inside the blue line, just missed. He came up with the loose puck.
Well, he talked about how excited he was to play against the team that drafted him. He just came up with the play of the night for the Hurricanes. Now, Drake Batherson gets it into Norris. His chance right on. Still a loose puck, and it'll go in. And it looks like the moment Ottawa has retaken the lead, 3-2.
50-50 puck at the offensive blue line. Ottawa comes up with it. Beautiful pass. Delayed penalty during the sequence. Batherson made a heck of a pass. Heck of a pass. He comes in to help. Slashes across the ice. And then the feed.